So today I'm going to teach you how to put it in.
This might be the most sus thing I've done.
No girl wants to see you freestyle, dog. Shut the fuck up.
I didn't say it the fucker with the flow, did you know what I'm saying?
I've never touched drugs in my life.
Yeah, I stay away from drugs, bro.
I
So
feel that
people
we do.
enjoy watching like their favorite artists suffer. Like,
Oh. What's up, guys? Let me introduce you to Trick Singh representing
Let's go,
Chandigarh,
मेरे
brother.
भाई.
Chandigarh.
Nice to meet you, मेरे
Nice
भाई.
to
क्या
meet you,
हाल चाल
brother.
today?
Love your fucking music.
Thank you, mere bhai.
Love it.
Welcome to What We Cook in episode number 4. My name is Trick Singh. I come from Chandigarh and today I'm gonna learn how to cook some shit, bro.
मुझे
I'm
लगा वो
really
बार थी. Wasn't that a bar or something? I thought मुझे गाना था. Welcome to the episode number 4.
Welcome to class, boys. Come and take a seat.
So, yeah, bro, I suck at cooking. Not gonna lie. मतलब, we're either gonna burn this place down और मतलब.
नहीं नहीं भाई अभी तक मैंने इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया यार मैं तो प्लीज डोंट बर्न दिस प्लेस डाउन अभी बिजनेस चालू किया है
वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में डाला हुआ है ना मेरा कोई सीन नहीं पड़ेगा अगर कुछ जल गया.
ये मुझे किसी ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भेजा नहीं है.
Yeah, bro, it was really nice meeting you. Thank you for having me on the show, brother. Yes.
What do you think a croffle is?
I have no idea, bro, but I think it has something to do with the waffle, of course. But like, how does it work? क्या system है इधर?
Bro, so a croffle is a mix between a croissant and a waffle.
Okay.
And this is the legendary croffle.
Bro, स्वाद तो लग रहा है. I'm not gonna fucking lie.
How bite.
Can I खा लूं? This might be the most sus thing I've done. But it slaps, bro. It's really fucking good.
It is good.
What I like about it is it's like crispy, but
That's
it's like
the
buttery and
idea.
flaky at the same time.
So when you were having it, my ear was on your mouth, seeing like crunch दिखेगा कि नहीं दिखेगा.
My food standards are very high, bro. I think about food a lot. I was a fat kid, bro. मैंने पूरा बचपन में खाना पेला है, bro.
Do you think about food more or sex?
Food.
Oh.
100% food. I'm not even kidding. Food, bro. I wake up and I think about what I'm gonna have for dinner.
Oh.
Music, food, two things I was born to love. If I wasn't an artist, मैं probably कुछ खाने वाली space में कर रहा होता.
Okay. So today we're going to talk about everything food
Okay.
and life because I think food
And
and
life.
life has got a big intersection.
Okay.
So I want to start with something.
Yes.
What is your most controversial take that you might get cancelled for?
I think being busy is not a flex, bro. Matlab, in life in general, I feel like a lot of people flex the fact that they don't take care of their health, don't have time for their family, and the
Correct.
hustle is glamorized a lot. An ideal life for me is I get to be home with my family and friends. I get to work hard, but I get to work hard in a way that I get to be with the people I care about and not sacrifice my time with
Correct.
them. So my parents are super important to me, my siblings are super important to me, and making music is super important to me. So मेरे लिए I don't want to glamorize the hustle. I actually want to be villa, bro. I want to sit at home
I
4
agree
days,
with
make music, live a nice, calm life.
I agree with you.
That's how I am.
I actually want to be a full-time father in life
Amazing.
and then a part-time entrepreneur, worker, whatever it is. But I
Yeah.
want to be known as a father first.
Yeah.
Because as you said, what's life if not spent with your family? For me, I think that's the best thing.
Shout out, Daddy Crawford right here, ladies and gentlemen.
Daddy Crawford doesn't sound as...
Let's fucking go, bro.
doesn't
Give
sound
me
as
those
good.
croissants, Daddy.
And he just said he doesn't think about sex much, huh? This is...
Not at all. Not at all.
The way he was talking to me right
Not
now.
at all.
On the topic of Mummy Papa.
Yeah.
What made you get into music? Did they have a problem with it? Did they not have a problem with it? How's your relationship with your parents?
You know how there's that one kid in school who never trains but always comes first in the 100 meters race? I was that kid but with music.
Oh.
The one thing that naturally came to me as a kid was music. So मतलब बचपन में I won solo singing awards, then I was part of a band, then I performed for the government of India.
Oh.
Then I became an India acoustic musician जब मैं चंडीगढ़ में perform करता था restaurants में bro और मतलब I wasn't even offered 500 rupees मतलब free में restaurants में just because I wanted to perform और वही दोस्त जो अब मेरी music videos में होते थे आते थे nobody else would show up but we would have a good time because that's what I wanted to do, you know what I'm saying? And then I just sort of kept going and it sort of turned into this. I sort of realized who I am musically along the way but now it's been almost if I'm 25 but I've been doing music for 20 years bro मतलब this shit is second nature to
Where
me
do you
now.
draw your inspiration from?
I think a lot of people don't realize that being a good artist also has to do with being a good listener.
Correct.
So all my childhood I've consumed so much art where it's like I used to look up to a lot of artists in my childhood. I used to consume everything from Nusrat to Sidhu to Kendrick to Drake. Because I was such a good listener, I had so many inspirations that after a certain point, those millions of inspirations made me the artist that I am. So I think I almost consumed so much art that at some point it became something that was an amalgamation of what I am.
I've read this book that's called Steal Like an Artist. Kind of
Yeah,
says
yeah, yeah.
something like this.
But basically, I think there's a हर idea का ना time होता है universe में, bro. And I think if you take the right idea at the right time, that idea wasn't yours in the first place. It was just the right time for that idea to be discovered, and तुमने fuck around find out करके तुम्हें मिल गया.
That's what we did with the Crofel, by the way.
I mean, yeah.
हमारा idea नहीं है. We found
Yeah,
it in
yeah.
Thailand, but we took it at the right time.
And you
at
put
the
your
right
own twist
place.
on it.
Yeah, just put our own twist on
That's
it.
how it is, bro.
How did you get the tag fucker with the flow?
My entire idea was I want to have a narrative that I built from my first song. When I made that song, it started with "Nice to meet you, I'm the fucker with the flow." Trixing's the name. If you didn't know, you know.
Nice.
So my first song was sort of an introduction as to who I am. दुनिया के सामने vulnerable होना आसान नहीं है, bro. तो मेरे लिए हर गाना I'm getting closer to telling the world who I am. But also what I plan to do with Fucker with the Flow in the future is it's what Slim Shady was to Eminem.
Got it.
It's anti-establishment. If I want to talk my talk, if I want to take a stand, I didn't say it the Fucker with the Flow did. You know what I'm saying?
So today I'm going to teach you how to put it in. I'm talking about a Crofel, brother. This,
Of course.
This soft
Of course.
piece.
I knew that. I knew
Yeah.
that. I knew that.
So you want
Yes.
to hold it?
I'm good, bro.
Talking about girls,
Okay.
do you whisper your lyrics into someone's ears like the girl? No.
Music is too vulnerable for me, bro. I only perform for my fans, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's not like कि मतलब आज मेरा mood है और you're like
Bro, no girl likes a man who's freestyling on her, bro. Public service message to all rappers. No girl wants to see you freestyle, dog. Shut the fuck up.
now.
Yes.
Since we're on the topic of rappers,
Shout out.
if there's any rapper that you could have a conversation with, who would it be?
I think this question has changed in the past few years, but I think Sidhu Moosewala was somebody who was very close to whom. In the sense, I saw his first show in Chandigarh in college. I think he has had a huge role in my life growing up. And I think he's been the voice of a generation, at least for the people
Yes.
back in Chandigarh. Like,
Yes.
what he means to us is very different.
What's a rapper stereotype that you live up to?
How I dress really matters to me. I really give a fuck about how I look. I like being Desi ASAP Rocky. I like dressing well. I like looking good whenever I go out. And I think I do at some point in my life want to be in a role where I can almost creative direct brands for India.
Nice.
Because I also come from like a design background, something I've studied a lot, and at some point I would love for like my creative worlds to collide, where I'm doing music but I could also creatively head a brand like Pharrell is or like
Correct.
ASAP. Yeah.
So if I didn't know you and you
Yeah.
were walking on a street, आपकी चेन देख के मुझे पता चलता कि आप ऐसे रैप करते हो.
Huh, bro, I want to feed the stereotype hard, bro. And I think the one stereotype I don't like feeding is the drugs bit.
Correct.
So like
I've never touched drugs in my life.
yeah, I stay away from drugs, bro. Also, bro, like I think coming from Punjab, like everyone in my extended known people have sort of done my quota. So I think I'm gonna stay away for the rest of my life.
So, bro, since you're this hot rapper, I think you might have gotten a lot of weird DMs. Am I correct or am I wrong?
Bro, matlab, I get a lot of funny DMs, but also my community is fucking funny as hell, bro. Matlab, the other day I got a DM saying, bro, your music is helping me clap cheeks.
Huh?
And it was a screenshot of a girl who sent him a DM said, thank you for telling me this song. वो छोड़, मुझे लॉन्डो का मैसेज आता है, भाई मुझे 20 रुपए भेजेगा, मैजिक मसाला लेना है.
मतलब? What the fuck does that mean?
Bro, shout out, bro.
Have you ever hooked up with a fan?
No, and you should never hook up with a fan, bro.
Why?
Bro, because there's
पीछे पड़ रहे हैं।
there's somebody who is admiring a version of you. I am not always this rapper. मैं घर जाता हूँ, बैठता हूँ और मैं गाने बनाता हूँ और मैं YouTube वीडियो देखता हूँ और मैं साइडमैन देखता हूँ और मैं सो जाता हूँ. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Would you eat this chole crofel? मैंने अपने हाथों से बनाया.
Is it supposed to be good or like?
But I'm trying it for the first time.
What do you mean? Bro, ये क्या हो रहा है इधर?
अरे मुझे पंजाबी रैपर मिला तो मैं सोचा छोले क्रॉफल खिला.
हाँ ये सही है मतलब मेरी ले लो bro.
कैसा है?
Surprisingly good.
Yeah, that's what.
You know why? Basically the crofel bit is almost like a bhatura,
Bro, croffle is basically a bread.
Yeah, it's a bread, no? And it's
bread.
pressed down. So it's
pressed
like
down.
a
It's
crispy
crispy bread.
It's like a crispy bread और बीच में छोले तो it's giving छोला भटूरा energy.
Oh, we could actually call it the chole bhature croffle. The chole bhature
It
croffle.
actually tastes really good, not gonna lie.
Oh,
Right? Surprisingly good. I wasn't expecting it to be good.
उसी बात पे एक लस्सी का slip लो.
I'll be honest, lassi in Mumbai is nowhere as good as lassi in Punjab.
दूध नहीं है ना इधर अच्छा.
Bro, it's just not fresh. So in my village they make lassi fresh, bro. This shit is like processed ass as fuck.
I'm coming to your village to drink some lassi. I'm a huge
Whenever.
lassi fan.
Whenever.
Huge lassi fan.
Yeah. Punjab food is so much better than Mumbai food. Also, I think the more north you go, the better the food gets.
But we are more creative with our food.
No.
Proper guys.
So today,
Yeah.
I'm going to make you try something special.
Okay.
And that's a chocolate idli.
I don't know about that, dog, but okay, sure. I mean, if I've come all this way. But I'll be honest, huh? Like,
Bro, this might be very disgusting. Bro, I've eaten a lot of disgusting things because of this weird food combo of IP
do
that
people
we do.
enjoy watching like their favorite artists suffer? Like,
Bro, it's I don't know what the fuck it is, but
guys, you ये इसलिए बनाऊँ मैं artist भाई.
Manchit आना यार.
Hey yo. Sorry. Oh yeah, bro. I think it's coming.
कुछ आ रहा है कुछ. थोड़ा thick है.
Okay, and we have a
go.
chocolate idli ready.
Wait, special guest.
Oh,
Huh?
really?
Just peed in your sink. Is that okay?
Fuck मेरा फसाई ले ले यार. एक आध
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Okay.
Yeah, bro.
What's up, bro?
What is
I have a
this?
welcome gift for you. So,
What is this?
मेरे हाथ से नहीं खाना.
Okay, sure.
कैसा है?
It's not bad actually. I don't think it's bad.
आप खिलाओ अपने भाई को.
Wait. It's bad.
It's bad.
It was fine the first 4-5 seconds when I was eating it. The aftertaste is bad.
चॉकलेट में लाएगा ना पहले.
It hits you.
Let's spit it out, bro. Not for me.
Spit it out with the same place he peed in.
Yeah, bro, that wasn't it, bro. But in general, thank you so much for having me here, bro. I had a really nice time. I think it's best you leave. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Nah, exit. उधर जाना.
क्या हो गया?
कुछ करना है मेरे को. एक सेकंड. हाँ. Kaju Katli, this one's for you. Kaju Katli, I want you so bad. Kaju Katli, I need you right now. Kaju Katli, I love you so much. Kaju Katli, please come in my mouth. Come in my mouth.
You look shaken up, brother.
Yeah, man, this was an experience, bro.
Thank you for coming by, bro. Thank you
yeah,
for coming to
bro.
Croffle, guys. We loved having you. Thank you for trying Croffles.
But on a real, bro, thank you for having me.
Not at all.
Thank you, Def Jam. Thank you, What We Cooking. I had a great time. This is Trick Singh. Make sure to stream. Make sure to listen. I'll see you guys soon. Signing out.
Come to the Croffle, guys, also.